Hi, my name is Vincent. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri to all the Malay Muslim friends and also the other Muslim friends around the world. I would like to inform since the 12th May in Malaysia we started to have a partial MCO. So we are back to the MCO 3.0 now. We are not allowed to cross state or to cross district. So I am unable to go to Raman place for making any new content, and also I also unable to go to any other hiking site or the camping site, because during this MCO we are not allowed to go for camping or hiking. We are only allowed to solo cycling or jogging, and we are only allowed to travel maximum 10 kilometers to go for buying grocery things. We are only allowed to drive our car with maximum 3 passengers only, include the driver. During this MCO, my children is not allowed to go to school, so they will only stay at home only. And it's also quite a difficult time now, as some people might losing their job, and the business is quite bad now. It's also affect to my wife, and I myself might also been affected, especially I can't go out to do some new content, so I also have to stay at home. So probably I will try every week to commit one content video. If I unable, I hope you all can understand. Well, I hope you all enjoy this review about the before the MCO and after the MCO. At the same time, it's a Hari Raya. So please stay tuned. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.